Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're having a good day out there today. We got a great video that I want to bring to you guys at home. Today we are launching the first iteration of our Chrome Week. And today we have the Montana 6-pack Piecer Pack. This kit comes with a black, a white, a chrome, and a nice array of hot colors to get you on your way. This kit comes with all caps available by the Montana line, the level 1 through the level 6. As you can imagine, the level 1 is the thinnest, the level 6 is the fattest, and everything in between. It's all personal preference, so see which one you like, and you will be on your way to creating some art just like this. With this kit, you can make yourself a nice little piece at home, or on the streets, or wherever it is you like to paint. That is up to you, but we have the tools here ready to get you to do it, so let's get started. This kit comes with chrome, black, white, and a nice assortment of hot colors to get you on your way. Now, what I really like about this kit is with chrome, you can take this and make 2 or 3 different pieces because the chrome covers very, very far. Speaking of which, let's take a look at the stock tip on these cans. It comes stock with the orange dot, which is a very fat cap. It gives you very, very fat lines. Now, you can tone it down very easily, so just take the cap off and put something like a level 1 on it. Now, these cans are higher pressure, but with the level 1 cap, you get a much more controllable spray. See that right there? It tones it down quite a bit, so if you want to do outlines with this, you're good to go. Start spraying. So let's go ahead and try the level 4 in a can of Boston and see how that sprays. Make sure it's seated, of course. All right, let's see it. Wow, look at that. All right guys, so we got our fill and our backsplash done, so let's go ahead and do our outline with Montana Black. All right guys, so we got our fill, we got our backsplash, and we got our outline done. So now we need to decide whether to do a full 3D or a simple drop shadow. A little simple 3D. Repeat, this is great. Don't even stress. All right guys, let's go ahead and do our outline. I'm going to be using Kicking Yellow with the level 2 cap. The reason why I like Kicking Yellow is it's very contrasty and it covers really good for a yellow. Check this out. Look at all these different shades right here. Goes right over it. Now, most yellows are extremely transparent and extremely watery, but I find the Kicking Yellow to be very, very nice to use. As you can see, there is a little bit of peek through from the red, but that is normal because reds do bleed through, as we know. But for a yellow, it's pretty darn good. All right guys, let's go ahead and drop our shines in there. I'm going to be using the level 2 cap to do this. I find it gives a nice little flare. right, guys, there you go. One simple, quick, and easy piece done for you. You guys at home can do this. I have faith in you. I know you can do this. And what's great about this kit is now that I'm done, I still have enough paint left over to do 2 more pieces in this same size. So for only $19.99, you guys can get started on your way to being a graffiti piecer. So this is GR signing out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate all your guys' support this year, supporting ArtPrimo, because without you, we wouldn't be where we are today. So don't forget, if you need graph supplies this winter for the holiday season, give us a call. ArtPrimo.com, 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 ArtPrimo.com. Thank you very much.